Hello, 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 everybody. It's your girl, Sia Knight. And I thought that I would come on and do something I have never, ever done before. I am going to do an unboxing. So if you have been on social media and you can see people who get subscription boxes or they get different items, what they'll do is they will open it live in front of the camera and then you get their honest to goodness reaction. So I said, that sounds fun. I like opening things and I like giving my reaction. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to unbox an item. It's called the brown sugar box. Now, first of all, before I continue, let me let you all know that this whole setup is very tenuous. So at any moment, the whole thing can crash. So if you see me, if I end the live abruptly, if I leave or if something knocks up, then you know that this all is smoke and mirrors and this, it's just very tenuous. So I'm scared about picking up this box, opening items, etc. with my situation being very, very sketchy. But we're going to do it anyway. So let me first show you. This is, I don't know if this is showing right side with the letters or not. I'm not that social media savvy, but here it is, guys. It's called the brown sugar box. Even if you could not read the letters like correctly, you got an idea of what the box looks like. So first of all, let me talk a little bit about how I found the brown sugar box. So I was on Facebook, I know that's a shocker, and I saw some black themed clothing items, okay? And I'm very careful about saying that. So there were some black themed clothing items that I liked, and so I clicked on it. And what happened was people in the comments, because I always like to see kind of what the reaction is in the comments and kind of how people have, how people like them, etc. Then the question that happens in 2020 is this company black owned? For some people, it matters. And so then the people answered in the comments below, no, this company is not black owned. So for the people who it mattered to, they kept reading and they started naming some companies that did very similar things that were black owned. So one of the companies mentioned that I looked up is called Izzy and Liv. And look, my little box came a little jacked. I don't know if this is the fault of the postal service or the FedEx people, or if it was my kids who just grabbed it haphazardly. But so that's how I found the brown sugar box from Izzy and Liv. And I saw people doing unboxings and I said, I want to get a box and I'm going to unbox it. So it's a monthly subscription. I think it's like $39 a month plus $5 for shipping. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open my box. All right. So every month, my understanding is that there is a clothing item and there is a theme. So as I open this up, again, my situation is very tenuous. Ew. I look and it says that it looks like the theme is, it's the Heritage Edition. So it looks like we're going to get real black this month, which I'm here for. And it talks about each item in the box and it gives you a description and as well as a price. So I'm doing a little preview and I'm like, ooh, I really like what I'm seeing so far. So the first thing I'm going to open is my t-shirt for the month. And I think I'm really going to like this. I like my t-shirts big, and I do have a shirt on. Hopefully you can see, get my tan lines from walking. But since this is the Heritage Collection, it looks like there is a t-shirt. Ew. Yes, yes, yes. So it says culture. Oh gosh, you cannot see a thing. Culture, confidence, and soul. And it has this beautiful woman on it, and the motherland has Africa. So I am in love with it. They hit a home run with the first item. Okay, let me see. Lord Jesus. Okay. So that is the Culture Confidence Soul Tea, and it retails for $25. So very good, as Tabitha Brown would say. Okay, so the next thing we have here, it's in plastic. This is the Nubian Royalty Tribal Card Set. It says your descendants are royalty. Your ancestors have always been kings and queens. Appreciate every element of your heritage with this enlightening Nubian Royalty Tribal Card Set. Trace your DNA and find your tribe in partnership with AfricanAncestry.com. So, okay. So what we have here is we have different cards representing different parts of Africa. Okay, the Fulani women of West Africa. We have the Zulu women of South Africa. The women of East Africa. And the women of North Africa. So, and it has all of the different information about it. So it's nice educational items. So we like that. We love the educational items. All right. So that set retails for $6, by the way. The next thing, Ase Ascent. Ooh, Africa print sunglasses. Now look at here. This is what I'm talking about. They have 5 different types of prints. And you get the sunglasses as well as the case. So you're not looking for the case. And I'm going to go ahead and try these on. These glasses look like they're... Okay, now come on now. This is the shape for me. You can't tell me nothing with these zebra glasses, y'all. Okay, now I gotta try to see. So these are Ase Ascent's African print sunglasses in case. The case matches the sunglasses. It says, everyone throwing shade won't make being black and beautiful any less amazing. Black out the shade with the Ase Ascent sunglasses in glass case. Shatter-resistant polycarbonate lenses. Pouch material is neoprene. Oh, wow. So very good. Very nice. Next. Ooh, now look at here. This is Wrapped in Beauty tie-on or elastic headbands. Oh, now I need this with my hair looking like this. Okay, now look at the, I'm not going to put it on because it's going to mess up whatever little style I have. But it is an elastic headband. Oh, yeah. This is getting some use like very, very soonish. It says quarantine doesn't have to catch you slipping. The Wrapped in Beauty tie-on or elastic headband can keep you chic and cute, even if you're inside all day. That's right, because, you get on these Zoom calls. Y'all, when you're on those calls, you can show your culture, you can show your heritage, and you can be cute. Okay, so there were 2 styles. Wait a minute. Now, let me read this. Let me read up on this, because it says tie-on or elastic. So I think I got the elastic, and I believe that it also comes with the tie-on variety. So, cool. All right, and I think this might be the last item. Okay. This is a bag. And you know we all love a bag. Okay. And we're not going to break the bag before we get it open. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Look at this. This is called the Hues of Heritage print canvas bag. So it's kind of like a purse. Let's see, the strength of your African heritage in this chic bag. Oh, okay. Go hand in hand. Carry the hues of heritage bag. It has a strap, a shoulder strap that you can use. And look at this, look at it. They done printed Izzy and Liv here so that there's no mistaking where you get it from. Okay, that's cute. I can add this to my collection, child. It retails for $39. So that's it. I think I am pleased so far with the brown sugar box. This is my first box. It's July 2020, and I saw everyone opening up their boxes from previous months. I was like, oh, hope I get something good, and I did. I'm very, very pleased with what I got. So that's it for now, guys. So if you have any questions, any comments below, talk to me about what your favorite item is out of the box. So if I had to choose my favorite item, I would say probably the t-shirt, because I'll be rocking that sometime this week. The t-shirt, I like everything. The purse, I don't know if I have a lot of things this color or something that would match it, but you know, hey, come out of your comfort zone. How about that? So, all right, everybody, that's it. Talk to me about what your favorite item is. If there's anything else that you want me to review or unbox, please leave that comment below. And until next time, guys, stay savvy. Bye. My setup, it stayed put. I'm very pleased about that. So, all right, guys, have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.